Every time a new day begins, a sweet haste embraces us. It's our job to evoke the feast's taste and make a child rejoice. Our aim is to offer an excuse of a handful of happiness to everyone around the world. Make ourselves felt at home for the use of the colorful geography around us wherever we ate. Kuğu chocolate and candy. Our brand is inspired by the life of Swan's purity, nobility, and cleanliness that we continue to grow with the trust from our customers. With our brand, we started in Konya's new confectioner's site in 2004, continued our production adventure, and then, after shifted to Kotum Industrial Estate in 2016 as we continued to expand. We offer over 40 different products in the groups of chocolate, hard candies, and soft candies that are well appreciated by our customers. With our brand, we have managed to become one of the major producers of the sector in the shortest possible time. We are justifiably proud of being the favorite taste of the palate in the whole of Turkey and over 50 countries around the world. As Kuğu Chocolate and Candy, we highly care about the trust of our customer. It remains our priority to maintain the trust of our customers by producing best quality and delicious products while providing attentive service. We meticulously ensure the sustainability of healthy production in our factory within the framework of Halal, ISO, HACCP certificates. Our distinguished products, which have become a common taste for both children and adults, are shaped in automatic lines and hygienic environments with advanced technology. Our quality shows itself in the selection of raw materials. The best approved cocoa beans meet with the delicious fruit extracts and are sent off on a taste trip to add flavor to life. Since our establishment to present day, our priority is to make investment in people and technology. Our expert team of professionals represents our values in the best way at every point. All our units, from production to board to sales and marketing team, then to our distribution network, continue to work in a devoted, customer satisfaction-oriented and coordinated manner with the awareness of contributing to brand values. In order to maintain our success as the leading chocolate and candy supplier in the sector, we accurately focus on reading the current market demands, tremendously increasing the export volume, keeping our company open to innovations at a global level, and developing new products. We want that we preserve our traditional taste and be the discoverers of innovative flavors. Let's appeal to different tastes with this mission. While we continue to grow with our successful history, our respected place in the sector, and our future projects. Our difference is to defend originality against mediocrity and change against uniformity. Our job is to produce a handful of excuses for happiness. Our goal is our taste to remain in mind. Kuğu Chocolate and Candy. The taste remains in mind.